Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys an order that was requested from Jess. Jess actually lives in Spain in the Canary Islands, and she emailed me and she told me that she really wanted to have a custom order made by me. She's so sweet. She loves all of my stuff, and she said she's always watching me, and she has been a big supporter for a while now. And unfortunately, she did want to order a customized traveler's notebook, but the shipping, wow, it is crazy expensive, and especially because it's really chunky and heavier, it just didn't work out. So she ended up ordering some micro inserts, and as a thank you for ordering them, and I'm really praying it makes it to her. As a thank you for ordering them, I threw in two little extra inserts, so I'm very excited and I'm going to share it with you. Here are the inserts that I made for her, and then I'll show you guys in my little micro planner how they look. But if you guys remember, I customized my own little micro happy planner. This is the newest one that I have. I got this one at Joann's, and it's from the Wrong collection, and I love it. I'm gonna start buying a lot more of these, but I currently have this one, and I used the Todo Papel bunny plans postcards, and I just love it so much. And Stephanie autographed, and then I put some cute little Easter paper clips that Dolores sent me from Todo Papel. So yeah, so I customized mine, and I just love how it looks. And I'm gonna do this one too. I just don't know what kind of style I want to do yet. Right now, this one I'm kind of just using it for like basic like notes. I took a few notes at the planner conference, and then I have some Instagram handles and phone numbers. But these are the ones that I created for Jess, and I love it. I did like a fashion theme. She's like, "Ellie, do whatever you want. I trust you. I know I'm gonna love it. Just pick whatever you think is best." And then so I was looking through all my stuff, and I thought, oh my gosh, this one is so pretty, and I just love how this one came out. This is the cover, and then in the back, isn't it cute? I added black and white washi tape, and then it looks like it actually belongs to the paper. That's so pretty. And then I added this little die cut with a handbag. I punched the hole so everything's ready for her to just pop into her little micro. This is the back of that. And then here is the bonus insert that I made for her as a thank you. It's a clear washi card insert. Isn't that cute? So it has 5 different washies, and I gave her a good amount so that she can use in her little planner. And I love that. Here is the first divider insert. And again, I went with that whole black and white washi tape. I thought it went good with this collection, so I used it in a couple of these. But look at how pretty that is. It has the writing in the back, so I added the mannequin. I added the super cute bow tab. In the back, I added some sticky notes, and then the spoil yourself. I added a page marker for her, Glam Girl. And then I added a little quote card in the back. Isn't that cute? And I did the gold because the gold matches with the hearts. And then here's her bonus insert. It has a little quote. It says, "In a world full of trends, always remain classic." And then I added this girl from my LOL. And then again, the black and white washi tape, I did it as a border, and then a scalloped edge. Here's the teal, and then here's like that coral pink that I have. And then in the back, I did double-sided because I didn't want the adhesive to show, so I added a little card in the back. Isn't that cute? I love this so much. If you guys want to see a video on how I did this, super easy, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll write it down in my notes. Here is divider number 2, and the reason why I say divider is because these two have the tabs, so that's why I say divider. And I added the little fashion card because it has the plaid in the back. And then here, because I love this flower, I didn't want to cover it up, so I put the I love shoes quote card right here. I just cut it down to size, and then I added again that black and white washi tape at the bottom, and then the coral bow tab. And then here we go, I added some little sticky notes on this one. There is washi at the bottom because I wanted that hint of black and white. And then it has the why not. Isn't that cute? And then this is the back of the cover. And it has her with the paper, the hair clips. And then she's just like in her cute black dress. And it says, shop till you drop. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? So I'm going to put it in here just so that you guys can see how it's going to look in her micro. But once she pops her little inserts, it's just going to look so pretty. And I can't wait for her to get it. And I really, really pray it makes it to her. So I'm going to add the cover. And then we'll just take a few pages and we'll add the washi card. Isn't that cute? And I love that you can see the white in the back. Just gorgeous. If you guys want to see a tutorial on that too, let me know. Maybe I could do both at once. And then here we have our little first divider. Oh my gosh, that's so cute with the bows. And you'll see how the bows stick out nicely. Here we have our page marker. I'm just going to go ahead and pop it in here. But this is nice because she can move it wherever she wants. So if she wants to mark it for today, say in the front or in the back or in the middle, she has that capability of moving it anywhere. And that's why I didn't add a bow tab either, because that way she can move it around. And I love that. So cute. Here's the bonus one that I sent her with the clear. I am obsessed, you guys. Look at how cute that is. I love the scallop sticking out, and then I love the border washi tape. I'm going to be doing that a lot more. It's just so fun. Here's another one. Perfect with the pink bow. And then we'll put the back cover. And then she can get whatever micro will match, whatever micro has the rings that'll match. She can get like black rings. I don't know if they make them. She can do like if they have like a peachy one, that would look nice. Even a yellow one or a gold, that would look really nice. But as you can see, my rings are pink. So I feel like they still match nicely, but I think gold would look absolutely gorgeous. So this is how her little micro would look when she puts everything inside. Just a quick flip through. Sticky notes for extra notes. I love this one so much. This one's really pretty. And then this one too. I just love it all. It's so gorgeous. So yeah, that's Jess's order. And Jess, if you're watching, I really, really hope you love your order, and I can't wait for you to get it. And thank you so much for, you know, emailing me and trusting me to do this for you. And I hope once you get it, you have so much fun with it, and I hope it makes you happy. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If there's anything that you guys want to order, whether it's micro inserts or a planner or just anything in general, if I can do it, I will let you know. And just email me a detailed description at planningwithellie@gmail.com, and we'll just kind of take it from there. But thank you guys so much for all your support. I love you guys so much, and if you enjoyed today's video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!